Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Alice.
And I'm David. Glad to be here with you today.
Hey, David, can I tell you something funny that happened this morning?
Yeah, tell me.
I was texting my friend about the weekend, and in just 3 short messages, I used 3 different ways to talk about the future.
3 different ways in 3 messages?
Yes. First, I said, I'll call you tomorrow. Then I wrote, I'm going to clean my room in the morning. And the last message was, I'm meeting Sarah at 3 o'clock.
3 messages, 3 different futures, and all of them were correct.
Exactly. None of them were wrong, they were just different. And that's exactly what today's lesson is about.
So what's the topic?
Today, we are going to make 3 future forms feel clear: will, going to, and present continuous.
3 things that beginners mix up all the time.
Right. And by the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use each one. No more guessing. Quick request before we start. If lessons like this help your English, please tap the like button. And if you're new here, please subscribe. We share 1 new episode every week. Okay, one big idea before the lesson. Imagine a small wall in your room, and on this wall there are 3 clocks.
3 clocks?
3 clocks. Clock number 1 is brand new. It just stopped. Clock number 2 is the clock you set last night before bed. Clock number 3 is the calendar clock, the one with the date and the meetings written on it. Each clock opens into one of our 3 future forms.
3 clocks, 3 doors to the future. I like that.
Clock number 1, the clock that just stopped, that is will. Will is the moment you decide something right now. It is spontaneous. It is fast. It is a small reaction to the present moment.
You didn't plan it, you just said it.
Right. The doorbell rings and you say, I'll get it. You didn't plan to answer the door. You just decided, right now, in the moment.
Right now.
4 more quick examples. I will help you with that. I will be there in 5 minutes. Don't worry, I will find it for you. And I think it will rain later. All 4, all right now decisions. All will.
Will is fast. Will is honest.
Exactly. Will lives on the clock that just stopped. The clock number 1. Spontaneous, simple, honest. Okay, the other 2 clocks, the one you set yesterday and the calendar clock, those open into going to and present continuous. We're going to open them next.
Stay with us.
Clock number 2, the clock you set last night before bed. This clock is going to.
Going to?
Going to is the plan you made earlier, often a long time earlier, with a reason. With evidence, you decided before the moment arrived.
Before the moment.
Yes. Example, I'm going to start running next month. You didn't decide this in the second. You thought about it. Maybe you bought shoes. Maybe you joined a gym. The plan is real. The plan is older than this moment.
You can see the plan coming.
Exactly. You can see it. It has a shape, a date, a direction. 4 quick examples. She's going to have a baby in March. They're going to travel to Japan this summer. I'm going to study English every week from now on. And we're going to move to a new apartment in October. All 4 decisions made weeks or months ago. All going to.
So going to has a past, a decision past.
Right. Going to carries the decision with it. And notice, going to is also where evidence lives. 3 more. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain. She's going to cry, I can tell. He ate too much pizza. He's going to feel sick later. You can see the thing coming. The evidence is right there.
Like the cloud tells you the rain.
Yes, when you can see something coming, that's where going to lives. The cloud, the too much pizza, a pregnant belly. Evidence. Past decision. Going to.
A small story?
Sure. Last weekend, my friend called and said, "Are you free?" I said, "No, sorry. I'm going to help my sister move today." My sister told me 3 days ago. I already said yes. The plan was older than the phone call.
The plan already existed.
Exactly. Say it aloud with me. I'm going to help my sister move today.
I'm going to help my sister move today.
I'm going to help my sister move today.
Going to has the plan. Going to has the evidence. Going to has a decision that already happened.
Beautiful. Now the third clock, the calendar clock. Present continuous. Coming up next. Clock number 3, the calendar clock, the one with the date already written on it. This clock is present continuous.
Present continuous. For the future?
Yes. When the present continuous talks about the future, the plan is fixed. The day is decided. The person is already on the calendar. You cannot move it easily.
Locked in.
Exactly. Locked in. Example, I'm meeting my doctor at 10 tomorrow. You have an appointment. The doctor knows. You know. 10 tomorrow is fixed.
The clock sees it, the calendar sees it.
Right. 4 quick examples. We're flying to Rome on Saturday. She's starting her new job next Monday. I'm having lunch with my brother this afternoon. And they're getting married in June. All 4, all fixed, all on a calendar. All present continuous.
So present continuous carries a date, a place, a person.
It does. And notice the time word almost always sits beside it. On Saturday, next Monday, this afternoon, in June. The time word is the calendar marking.
A small story?
Sure. Last Tuesday, my phone reminded me, haircut at 4. I said to my friend, "Sorry, I'm getting my haircut at 4 today." I cannot move it. The barber is waiting. 4 o'clock is fixed.
The haircut is locked.
Exactly. Say it with me. I'm getting my haircut at 4 today.
I'm getting my haircut at 4 today.
I'm getting my haircut at 4 today.
Present continuous is the calendar form, the fixed form, the locked form.
Now, all 3 clocks. Right now clock, old plan clock, calendar clock. Will, going to, present continuous. 3 forms, 3 times, 1 future.
And the trick is just to feel the time. Spontaneous, I will. Pre-decided, I'm going to. Fixed, I'm doing it.
Yes, feel the time first, then choose the form. Coming up next, the 3 mistakes learners make most often, and one Sunday morning that puts all 3 clocks in the same room.
Stay with us.
All right, mistakes. The 3 most common ones. Let's name them clearly.
Mistake number 1. Using will for a decision you already made weeks ago.
Yes. Picture this. Your coworker asks, "Are you going to the company dinner?" And you say, "Yes, I will go." Wrong door. You bought the ticket 3 days ago. The plan is old. The plan has a past. You should say, "Yes, I'm going to go."
Will is too fresh for an old plan.
Exactly. Old plan, going to. Fresh decision, will. Time first, then the form.
Mistake number 2.
Bright. Dropping the small word be in present continuous. I'm meeting my friend at 5. No. I'm meeting my friend at 5. The little word am, is, are, it carries the future meaning. Without it, the sentence breaks.
Am, is, are is the calendar hook.
Yes, the calendar hook. Always carry it.
Mistake number 3?
Will using a fixed appointment. I will meet my dentist tomorrow at 9. Wrong clock. Tomorrow at 9 is locked. The dentist knows, the calendar knows. Say, I'm meeting my dentist tomorrow at 9. The moment, will. The appointment, present continuous. 1 o'clock is fixed. The restaurant is booked.
Will, going to, present continuous. 3 different clocks, 3 different futures, the same morning.
Encouraging. Repeat the 3 after me. I will check.
I will check.
I'm going to help my dad today.
I'm going to help my dad today.
I'm meeting you at 1.
I'm meeting you at 1.
Time comes first. The form comes second. That's it.
1 small tip and 3 take-home sentences coming up next.
Stay with us. All right, 1 small tip before we close.
What's the best way to remember these 3 clocks?
Don't try to memorize the rules. Try to feel the time. The feeling of a moment? Will. The feeling of a plan? Going to. The feeling of a calendar? Present continuous.
Like a small weather report in your head.
Exactly. Time first, then the form. Always.
3 sentences listeners can use today?
Sentence 1. Spontaneous. Will. The phone is ringing. I will get it.
Sentence 2, old plan, going to. We bought the tickets last week. We're going to fly to Lisbon in October.
Sentence 3. Fixed appointment. Present continuous. My dentist knows. I'm seeing her next Tuesday at 3.
3 sentences, 3 clocks, 1 future each.
1 small question for you. Drop it in the comments below. Which clock do you live in the most? Will, going to, or present continuous? And today, try to use one of the other 2. Just 1. We read every comment.
If this lesson helped, please tap the like button. Share it with one friend who is learning English. And if you are new here, please subscribe. We share a new episode every week. Turn on the notification bell so we can find you next time.
Will, going to, present continuous. You know the time, you know the form.
Thank you for staying with us to the very end. We will see you in the next conversation.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.